it's still not ready yet.
Just want to go fast.
All right, so cab's on, engine's in, front suspension's in. There's a lot going on with this thing, and Tyler's here to kind of show us a little more in detail what he's been doing, because this has kind of been his little project. He's been running point on it. The suspension. We'll start there. How was that?
Not too bad. We are finishing up on the front suspension. We've done the new rack and pinion style steering. We've done the tubular control arms, the disc brake conversion, and everything seemed to button up pretty well. We finished up the motor mounts and everything. We've got the transmission cross member set in place. We got the cab set on so we could check for clearance and everything there.
Yeah, we had to do a little notching on that cab. Didn't quite fit with the transmission that's going in here, but it's a tight fit. But it fits in there. Cab sits down on its mounts where it's supposed to. Yeah, the springs gave you a little trouble, didn't they?
Yeah, the springs gave us a little bit of trouble. Ultimately, we just had to really compress them down to get everything in there and get it together. But
and that was already after really compressing them down. So let's take a closer look at this and see see how it all fits together. All right, so we added a few things since that last cut. We got anything that's big, anything that's going to be, in the way, we've added. So the whole front accessory drive, the the radiator core support, the inner fender, and we put the big regular fender on the outside just to make sure everything's lined up for the most part. So now with the cab bolted down for the most part, we're just kind of putting it all together. It's just fitment. It's not a major custom like Dave Kindig would do, but it's custom enough that we're gonna have to make sure everything works before we start putting nice fancy paint on it and then having to cut into that, which is just you should know by watching by now that that's not a good thing. So putting all this in here, it's tight. The radiator's and fan's gonna be really close. We've already realized we're gonna have to get a different water pump, like a Camaro water pump. And then, just everything really, for the most part, does fit. The inner fender on the back side, we're going to have to do something with that because it's not quite lining up like it originally had from the factory. So there's something kind of going on there. Tyler can kind of touch on that with his springs explanation here in a second. But for the most part, we're pretty happy with this. The steering column coming down, which is a custom aftermarket steering column, and then the steering linkage with this rack and pinion. It's going to be interesting. We'll see how much of this inner fender is going to be left when we're all done, but I think it's coming together pretty well.
all right, as Tyler had touched a little bit already on the front suspension, these coil springs and stuff here were quite the pain. They were about twice as tall as what they are now, so like we said, we just had to really compress those to get everything in there. And also with the new upper and lower control arms, we're finding out now that with these inner fenders that we're having some clearance issues. So we're going to have to possibly do some trimming and everything there to make those work. But overall, coming together pretty nicely, and with just a few more modifications, we'll make it happen. All right, so we have also made some progress on the doors here for the 1950 Chevy pickup. What we did is we used a newer style door handle on these from a 52 Chevy door handle. These actually have the push button handles on them instead of actually twisting the handle. So in order to do that, we had to drill a few extra holes weld up a couple of the existing holes on the outside. And then on the inside, we ordered a kit that come with the new rods, the new latch plate. Of course, there was some trimming and stuff involved for that as well. But everything's come together pretty nicely. And yeah, I think they're pretty well ready for paint.
Almost got him.
Jeez, is this what we do when Tyler's out sick?
Listen, man, it's a brand new laptop. We gotta get some gaming on it, all right? Gotta break it in right.
Well, least you can do is tell everyone bye.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Lights out and subscribe.
Boom. Nailed it.